Hello everybody, Simon Thomas from Toucan Internet. Taking on a new supplier for something that is critical to your business and possibly in an area where you have limited expertise can always be daunting. Several people at this stage have asked us what our process is, so to help people coming on board with Toucan Internet, I put this short introductory video together. It's to explain a little bit more about our process, how we do things, so that you feel more comfortable that you are engaging with the right company for your business website, and, for that matter, for a business relationship that will work well into the future, delivering you the value that your business will demand as it grows. The initial meeting. Whatever the project ahead, we both need clarity and as much certainty as possible. So, you need to know that you've got the right team to deliver what you want to achieve. We need to know that we can comfortably deliver what you need, that our values are aligned, and that there is a good future for us both beyond the initial website design, as our approach is one of caring for the web development needs rather than just delivering a website. We'll gauge the extent of the project you anticipate and the goals you want to achieve, and we may be able to offer a ballpark figure at this point. If all looks good, we can then progress to a detailed meeting. The detail meeting. If we've got to this point, we're in a good place. We've had an initial discussion and we've realised that our values are aligned and that we will both benefit from a customer-supplier relationship. Sometimes on smaller projects, this detail meeting and the initial meeting will roll into one. However, the end point of either or both is a project specification that details the requirements sufficiently so that there is no ambiguity. You know exactly what you are getting and the timescale, and the cost is clear. On some projects, there needs to be a scoping round with all the project stakeholders to tease out all of the details and interject some improvements on process and design. On more basic sites, this information is completed in the detail meeting. Getting to know you. As part of the detail meeting, we'd like to actually find out who you are, what makes you tick, what is your why, and why your customers buy you. This way, we can make certain that anything we produce, be it a website, social media program, blog program or alike, all will meet the expectations of those of your clients. If you have a vision and mission statement, that would be an excellent document to share with us, as it will clearly communicate your vision of what you want for the world and your mission statement saying how you present yourself and interact with the world. Then we know how best to promote you. We can help you write your vision and mission statement if need be. Consistency in your communications is important, and this is normally detailed in a brand manual. If you do not have a brand manual in place, we will need time to understand these with you before we start the project. Your brand guidance will include, amongst other items, your visual identity, your colour palettes, the fonts that represent your business, your logo, and the logo usage guidelines. It may also include your strapline. It may also include the tone of voice and the positioning so that the copy is consistent with other marketing materials you have in the marketplace. It will include positioning, how you are seen in the world. For instance, if any of these in the following list are part of your company's mantra, being charitable, innovation, creative, ecological, sustainability, community focused, equal opportunities, environmental issues, climate change, values, or associations with other groups. Many clients will have us complete this formative work with them as a mini project before the main project, thus putting anything that we do for you on really firm footings. The bare essentials are that the visual identity part of the brand is defined, including the logo and the fonts. And if these are not in place, then our creative design team can work with you on that. Given all of the above items that shout to the world who you are and why the readers need to take notice, we'll have a good idea of what makes you special, so that we can make you look the best you can be online. The other essential part of a detail meeting is mapping out the website and the journeys that people will take through the site to the various endpoints that we will have identified. Remember, there may be several different journeys for different visitor types. Some may sign up for a lead gen item, some may need more information, some may just need a contact point. So as long as we know who will be turning up on the website and what we want them to do, then we can build the site to be effective. Your team involvement and sign-in is critical to the project success, and we want your involvement on the key components at all of the strategic milestones. The proposal. From all of the above discovery, we've put together a proposal document, and this will include the full specification, removing the ambiguity, and confirms the full scope of the project. We will also advise every component and future considerations, as these are important to the sustainable success of your website as a functioning component in your business communications, and this will include search engine optimization, security, hosting, email services possibly, domain names possibly, social media integration and the origination of content, and other marketing campaigns. With that, you should have everything comfortably to step into an enjoyable, long and profitable relationship with Toucan Internet. Let's touch on the mechanics of a project. Upon acceptance and your deposit, the order is established on our systems. You will be invited to our online project management system. This is the command center of any project, as it lists and controls every aspect of the project. Nothing gets overlooked and everyone is accountable. Here we'll introduce you to the heads of the team, including the project manager, the design head, any lead programmers, copywriters, photographer, SEO, any specialist we need to complete the project to the approved specification. We will also set up a project Dropbox or equivalent as a project hub for all the data files, the incoming documents, any images and the like. Finally, and the most important part, will be the development server where we develop the website. Your involvement in the project, from providing any content and checking in on progress on the development website at key milestones, is imperative, as it leads to a successful project completion and a fun and engaging journey. During that journey, you will likely see improvements to the project specification, and we can accommodate these. The way we handle these is to assess them individually, and if they require more resources, the update will be detailed and costed in the project management system, where you can either accept it or not. That keeps a tight rein on your budget and goes a long way to avoiding those unwanted budget surprises. Our terms and conditions. We operate to a total open-handed policy on everything, and our terms of business are published on our website for your reference, and they'll also be detailed in the proposal documents. The project completion. Once a web project is approved, we will establish the appropriate hosting services and then publish your new website under your domain name. Then we will do more proofing around that to ensure that the published site is fully functional. It is important to us that we empower you to the level of the control and hands-on that you want, and we'll include an introductory training session for you or your staff on the control panel as part of the project delivery. Additionally, we will advise you of key items and future services that will facilitate the smooth running and success of your website, including security monitoring and updates, search engine optimization, website updates outside the scope of your control panel, social media activity and other online marketing engagements, blog writing, and anything else specific to the success of your business online. That's the process we use to ensure your website development is a high converting and lead generating system, getting you more clients, more profit, market leading positions, and even reduced company operating costs. Customers in the past have said, "You're a little bit different from the others." Hallelujah, I think. Well, this may or may not be the case, but what does resonate with us is that we take the time to understand who you are and what makes you the best at what you do. Then, with that knowledge, we're armed with all we need to make you look good to everybody else. Frankly, it's pointless leading into a program of building a website and running a marketing campaign for you, writing your social media, engaging with your social media audience on your behalf, writing blogs for you, or doing creative branding if all of this is on weak ground, if we don't know who you are and what makes you good. So the first questions with any new engagement with Toucan Internet is, who are you and why do you do what you do? I'm excited to be part of your company's future success, and I'm looking forward to our project together.